Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here 2006 Toyota Matrix and I'm performing a lot of inspections. Let me show you how you can check your Serpentine belt on your engine. The owner keeps records which maintenance and services were done on this vehicle. So let's go and confirm if it was really performed and if the belt looks new. This is common 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, right? The model 1ZZFE. So I brought a light here to show you the area where you can check your Serpentine belt. Hopefully you can see the pulleys, right? And you can see the belt itself. I will try zoom on it and look at it. Look at the sides, the walls, the white walls seems to be basically brand new, right? They are not frayed or anything, and the belt itself has zero cracking. The surface is basically beautiful, and it really confirms that this was done and the belt was really recently installed brand new. And I hope you agree that this is a really simple and fast check and everybody basically is able to do it by themselves, right? And doing that, of course, that's a great preventative maintenance and it will prevent any possible breakdowns on the side of the road in the future. All you just have to do, pay attention to few details. Well, thanks for watching and be subscribed. I have way more Toyota tech coming your way on this channel. See you later, my friend.